Many people can join a discussion at work, but when it's time to summarize the ideas, they don't know what to say. They're not sure what matters. So, the discussion ends, but nothing is clear. In this video, you'll learn how to summarize key points clearly after a work discussion. Stay till the end to practice it out loud. Let's practice summarizing key points clearly. After a discussion,
Stay with us till the end, and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
all right, before we all move on to other tasks, let's take a minute to align on what we agreed.
Yes, please. There were a lot of points raised.
Exactly. I'll try to summarize and feel free to jump in if something doesn't sound right.
Sure.
So, first, we agreed that the biggest issue right now is the delay in onboarding new users.
Right. Especially during the account setup stage.
Yes, that part keeps coming up. We also agreed that this issue is affecting user experience more than anything else at the moment.
That's true. Support has been getting more tickets because of it.
Exactly. Second, we decided not to introduce any new features until this issue is under control.
Just to confirm, that means no new feature releases this sprint, right?
Correct. We're putting feature work on hold temporarily so we can focus on stability.
Got it.
Third, you'll take the lead on investigating what's causing the onboarding delay.
Yes. I'll start by reviewing the recent onboarding cases and checking where users are getting stuck.
Perfect. You'll also coordinate with the engineering team if you notice anything technical.
Yes, I'll loop them in if needed.
On my side, I'll work with the support team to gather more detailed feedback from users.
That should give us a clearer picture.
Exactly. Now about timing. We agreed that by Wednesday we should have at least an initial update. Not a full solution, just clarity on what's causing the problem.
Yes. Something concrete we can share with the team.
Right. If we discover any major blockers before then, we'll flag them immediately, instead of waiting until the next discussion.
Definitely. That will help manage expectations.
We also talked about communication. Once we have the update, we'll share it with the wider team so everyone knows what's happening and what the next steps are.
Will that be in a message or a short meeting?
Probably a short written update first. If needed, we can follow up with a meeting.
Makes sense.
Another point we mentioned was documentation.
Right? Documenting the fix.
Yes. Once we identify the root cause and apply the fix, we'll document the process so the same issue doesn't happen again.
That will also help new team members later?
Exactly. Let me pause here for a second. Does that summary match your understanding so far?
Yes, it does. The priorities are clear and the responsibilities are clear too.
Great. Let me do a quick recap just to make sure we're fully aligned.
Go ahead.
So, to recap, onboarding delays are the top priority. Feature work is paused for now. You're leading the investigation.
That's a very clear summary.
Good. One more thing, this is our current plan, but if new information comes up, we'll adjust as needed.
Of course.
I'll send a short follow-up message summarizing this so everyone who joined the discussion is on the same page.
That would be really helpful.
All right. Thanks for taking a minute to align.
Thanks for summarizing. It definitely helps.
Now it's your turn. Listen first, then repeat out loud. Let me quickly summarize what we agreed. The main issue right now is we're putting new work on hold for now. You'll take the lead on. Let me quickly summarize what we agreed. First, this is the main priority. Second, this is what we'll pause for now. To recap, this is our plan for now and we'll adjust if needed. Say it again. Focus on clarity, not speed. Great work. Summarizing after a discussion isn't about sounding smart. It's about making things clear for yourself and for everyone else. Come back later today and shadow this video one more time. And if you want to communicate more clearly at work, subscribe for more daily workplace English. See you in the next lesson.